How does focus stacking create infinite depth of field in Photoshop? Imagine capturing a scene where everything from the closest object to the farthest background is perfectly sharp. That's what focus stacking can do for your photos. It might sound like magic, but it's actually a clever technique using multiple images. When you take several photos at different focus points, you can combine them into one image where everything is in focus. This is especially helpful in macro photography or close-up shots, where your camera's depth of field is naturally very shallow. The process starts with shooting a series of images. Each photo focuses on a different part of the scene. For example, the first shot might focus on the front of a flower, the next on the middle, and the last on the background. These images are then imported into Photoshop as separate layers. Photoshop has tools that help align these layers perfectly, even if your camera moved slightly between shots. You do this by selecting the images and choosing the Auto Align Layers option. Next, you use the Auto Blend Layers feature with the option to stack images. Photoshop analyzes each layer to find the sharpest parts. It then creates a new composite image by blending only those sharp areas from each photo. The blurred parts are masked out automatically. The result is a single image where the entire scene appears crisp from front to back. This creates an effect similar to having an infinite depth of field, which is impossible with just one shot. To do this in Photoshop, you start by capturing multiple photos that cover the whole depth of your subject. Then, load these into Photoshop as layers. Use the Auto Align Layers command to make sure everything lines up perfectly. Next, select Auto Blend Layers and choose the Stack Images option. Photoshop will do the heavy lifting, blending the sharp parts into one seamless picture. Finally, crop and fine-tune the image if needed. This technique helps you overcome the limits of your camera lens and aperture settings. It's widely used in macro photography, product shots, and landscape images where sharpness all around matters. Mastering focus stacking in Photoshop allows you to create images with incredible detail and clarity throughout. It's a powerful tool that turns multiple focused shots into one stunning, fully sharp picture.